Time to go hiking in the woods. Nice. Very nice. Yep. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Alright, hand to God, this just happened. I'm wearing my new Yankee hat, which, by the way, I don't really like very much. But because I'm sweating a little bit hiking, I'm carrying it in my hand so I don't get it all stained up. Long story. So anyways, I get ready to put it back on, and I'm like, where are my sunglasses? I think I dropped my sunglasses. Son of a bitch. You know, thinking. And this went on for a minute or two, and then I realized I'm wearing them. Like, they're on my face. I'm looking through them. So, yeah. I think it's a bad representation, because there's a lot of bugs that are driving me crazy right now. It's a bad reputation of the state of my eyes, and I think my mind is going. So, yeah, it made me realize I probably got about 5 more years where I can be self-sufficient. After that, I'm lost to everything. Scary. Alright, sorry about that bouncing right there, I just realized. Have a great, wonderful day. I'm going to keep walking. Sometimes it's cool just to watch water moving. I won't give you too much of it, but I might stay here and watch this for a little bit. If you get it, cool. If you think it's stupid, I got you. Seeing the water move on a lake. Alright. I know. Every day, but damn. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole bunch of them. That's a lot of geese. That just might be the most geese I've ever seen in one formation. That's a ton of them. Kind of does this every single night. Varying shades of beauty. But I think the family of beavers might have moved on to another place. Haven't seen them yet. Sad.
So anyways, have a great and wonderful day. Do this for yourself.